guys, let's have some fun. Let's play a game.
Party.
I like that. I love games.
What game?
Okay, how about let's play Kiss Marry Kill. Everyone knows the mechanics, right? Hey, Billy, Andoy, let's play. Come on.
Come on, guys.
Everyone knows the rules, right?
Of course. Ipili mo lang naman kung sino gusto mong i-kiss.
Ay. Mukhang gusto nga yung i-kiss, pero I'm sure naman na siya yung one day, di ba?
Of course,
Una,
inilata ako
sa tingin ko, mukhang siya nga yung pipiliin ni Billy.
So, everyone knows the rules now.
Malamang.
Girls choose boys, boys choose girls. So, who wants to go first? How about the prettiest woman here? Luna Mad!
Oh, me? Oh, okay.
Of course.
Kiss. Ewan. Mary Ethan. Kill, and that's you. That's you.
Hoy, ito ko. Sakit sa puso.
Grabe
Okay.
naman.
Okay.
My turn.
Okay, let's go.
My turn talaga.
Kill.
Hoy, halik na yan. Hahalik na yan.
Mia. Kiss.
Kiss.
Mariko.
Mariko. Mariko pala yung pangalan.
Maddie.
Maddie.
Si Billy, the blue girl.
The blue girl.
Okay, who's next?
Who's next?
How about Mia?
Hello!
Pass.
Pass.
Okay, Mia passes. So, how about Billy?
Ako. Sige. Kill muna.
Kill. Ano, sino naman
Sir
kaya
John.
yan?
Ako din.
Ako din.
Kiss.
Kiss or kill?
Sir Andoy.
Hala, si Jakong! Oh my God, si Jakong! Hala!
Finally, someone's gonna kiss Andoy.
Mukhang may nagselos.
And Mary.
Mary, you won! You won din yan! Uy, baka si you won yan! Oh no!
Sir Yuan.
Sa islang pantropiko.
Sulong pa.
Sa islang pantropiko. Pantropiko.